Hey everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you step by step how to swap, trade or convert XRP into BUSD on Binance. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is to go over to Binance.com and make sure you're logged in. Once you're logged in, you can go over to Markets in the top left, and you will then be sent over to a page looking similar to this one. Now, you want to click on Spot Markets, and once you've done that, you can go over to Fiat, click on it, and select BUSD. You can then go over to the search bar in the top right and search for XRP BUSD. You'll then see this pair pop up and you need to click on it. You'll then be sent over to a page looking similar to this one, and over on this page you want to go over to the place order section. Now, if you're using the Pro layout, this will be on the right side of your screen, and if you're using the Classic layout, this will be in the middle of your screen, down at the bottom. You'll then need to go over to Sell, click on Market, and now all that's left to do is to fill in the amount of BUSD you would like to swap, trade or convert into BUSD, or you can click on Total, click on Amount and fill in the amount of XRP you would like to swap, trade or convert into BUSD. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.